In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Outlook too many requests problem. If you've opened Outlook and run into a message saying there have been too many requests, don't worry. This is usually a temporary issue, and in most cases, it can be resolved pretty quickly. The error often appears when Outlook detects too many actions happening in a short period of time, so the system temporarily slows things down to protect the service. To begin, go to Mail in Outlook. Make sure you're on the main mail page, where your inbox and messages normally appear. This is important because you want to confirm that the issue is happening directly inside the Outlook mail interface. Once you're there, take a moment to check whether the page is still showing the too many requests message or if the mailbox is trying to load normally. If the message is still there, the first solution is simply to wait out the cooldown period for around 15 to 20 minutes. This is often the easiest and most effective fix. Outlook may temporarily limit activity when it receives repeated requests, and giving it a short break allows that limit to reset. During this waiting period, it's best not to keep clicking around too much or repeatedly refreshing the page, because that can sometimes extend the issue instead of helping. After waiting, return to Outlook Mail and see if things have started working again. In many cases, the inbox will load normally once the cooldown has passed. This approach works because the restriction is usually time-based rather than caused by a deeper technical problem. If you don't want to wait right away, or if some time has already passed, you can also click the Reload Page option at the top of the browser. Reloading the page gives Outlook another chance to reconnect and refresh the mail session. Sometimes that's all it takes to clear the temporary error and bring your inbox back. When you reload, give the page a few seconds to fully refresh before trying anything else. If the system was only briefly overloaded, the reload may resolve it immediately. If not, go back to the waiting method and allow the full 15 to 20 minutes before checking again. So, to fix the Outlook too many requests problem, open Outlook Mail, wait for the cooldown period if needed, and then reload the page. These simple steps are usually enough to get you back into your inbox without any extra troubleshooting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.